Hello, I'm Sheen, and today I want you to show something new what I bought, and this Mazda 929 from 88. Yeah, it's my another new car. It's kind of classic, but in really good shape, and that's why I fell in love in this car. I like cars like this one. Yeah, but as you can see, it's in really good shape. I paid for it something around $3,500 or 4,000. It depends on a value of dollar now. Because I paid in PLN, in Polish zloty, and worth of this car is in this shape is $5,000. So I made a good deal. Everything is in a really good shape, but tires are to change. And I bought this car something around 2 months ago, but I recording this now. I don't know why I was late for it, but okay. Yeah, as you can see, also a front bumper is, I need to attach it. Another thing is somewhere I have a small rust, but they are to repair. Also here, but it's not a big deal. But here, I'm not sure if you see it, but here is oh wait, I have a flashlight. Maybe you see a hole here. This part is to repair. Floor is in really good shape, but only there and here, yeah, they are to repair. But another parts, everything is really alright. Yeah, same here, but yeah, it's not so dangerous rust. And now let's look in middle. Yeah, still from service where I was buying it, but middle is really great. Custom wheel. Oh shit, I forgot what is the name of it. But you can, you can control all sound. Sorry, I forgot. Even Polish word I forgot. Light. Here is also. This one work, but don't want to open up. Here is a manual to spinning, but for now I don't need it. Yeah, I have even original instruction. Cup holders. Yeah, I don't have also a pocket here, but that's alright for me, not a big deal. And I have mounted alarm of Windows, but probably doesn't work. I'm second owner of this car. Previous owner was a Belgian old man. And he died, and his family decided to sell this car. and I just bought it. There's all electronic works like window. Also I will show you. Oh. Trunk. Yeah. This titanium is because I have, see, and I have a green LED here. When it's dark, I see where is yeah. Also this everything clock, as you can hear. Oh, and my own collection of cassettes. Yeah, a really big place. Here is a gasket. I will show you why. I have also, oh, here a wheel. And now let me open a hood. And yeah, so this is an engine. It's 2.2 liter. Here you have a proof, and it's really in good shape. Only I had to replace V-belts that I really did, and a gasket here. That's why I show you, and maybe collector. But gasket is important, but collector not for now. This is probably from this alarm, because you have auto security alarm, so it's not original. Oh, I have even a key here, okay. And yeah, let me just turn engine on. And this on stick because this lever doesn't work. Yeah, as you can see, engine work great. It has a really torque, a good torque. It has 146 horsepower. Torque I'm not sure, but on road it really go fast, and I'm really happy that I bought this car. It's so comfort, so fast. Not so fast to race with other cars, but enough fast to travel somewhere. Also don't eat a lot of oil and gas. Yeah, so GLX. If you don't know what does it mean, Grande Luxury Extreme. So the biggest amount of comfort, luxury that Mazda could offer in these times. Yeah, and I feel that I'm really happy that I bought this car, and that's all in this video. So thank you for watching. Bye.